Guys, things are looking a lot better for crypto, stock market, and all financial markets as we're starting to see Bitcoin hit prices that we haven't seen since June 12th, 2022. So in today's video, I want to go over what's going on with Bitcoin because there's a few things that we just need to be aware of, be careful of over the next 48 hours. And also we're going to go over altcoin news because we have huge announcements for Cardano's Vasil Hardfork, Ethereum merger date, and everything else. So make sure to stick around to the end. And if you enjoy this content, I'd appreciate if you just like the video, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter as well. So anyways, right now the overall crypto market is at a $1.12 trillion market cap, and Bitcoin is well above $24,000 per coin. The interesting thing about this is that Bitcoin is at its highest level since June 12th, 2022, when we saw the massive correction take place in the entire market. Since then, we reached a bottom where it was around $17,000 per coin, and now we have been slowly working our way back up. The one thing I would say, the one thing to be careful of if you're looking at Bitcoin is going to be with the 200-week moving average. This is something that we've talked about multiple times on the channel before, but we still have not yet seen, surprisingly, a weekly close above the 200-week moving average. So as the week comes to an end over the next 48 hours, we would like, and we really need to see Bitcoin stay above the 200-week moving average on this. We need to see the close, the weekly close above this 200-week moving average. If we see that, that is a very bullish sign for what is to come over the coming weeks for crypto. But remember, it's not guaranteed that we will see that close above the 200-week moving average just yet. Right now, yes, it looks like it, but as long as we stay above $22,650, then that would be a very, very bullish sign. So it's looking very likely, but just remember that over the coming days. Other thing that's happening, which is very bullish, is with the Crypto Fear and Greed Index. We're seeing that the Crypto Fear and Greed Index is for the first time about to exit the fear territory. Right now it is at fear, 42 on the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, but after today it is appearing that we will see it get to neutral. Neutral is when it's above 45, so it looks like we should see a neutral rating for the first time in months and months for crypto, which would be very, very exciting to see. Last couple things I want to talk about is going to be, I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Fairdesk. Fairdesk is a cryptocurrency exchange that offers up to 125x leverage, and you can get up to a $5,040 deposit bonus by simply signing up using my link down below. Currently, Fairdesk is launching a new feature called Arena 2.0. It goes live on August 4th, 2022, and this feature is where you can earn money just by predicting the price of cryptocurrencies. If you predict the price of a crypto closer than someone else, then you could win thousands of dollars, as you can see with all of their giveaway prizes that they are giving out. The cool thing about this is that you can use your own money, or you could use coupons you get from simply spinning the wheel. There are three ways you can get free spins. One is by trading. For every $8,000 you trade, the user will get one free spin. Two is by referring people. For every valid invitee, you will get another free spin. And the third is by joining other events that they announce on social media, like on their Twitter or on their Telegram. Fairdesk is the only platform I have been using for trading my crypto when I'm using leverage trading over the last year. And Fairdesk's Arena 2.0 is definitely worth trying because you can win money for simply predicting crypto prices and guessing crypto prices better than someone else. Anyways, let me know your thoughts and let's get back to the program. With altcoins. First is going to be with Ethereum. Ethereum merge date is coming up September 19th, 2022. That is when it is scheduled as of right now. But the key thing is Vitalik came out and said that, look, the Ethereum merge narrative is not priced in yet. Yes, we have seen Ethereum rise 70% since its bottom just a couple weeks ago. It was below $1,000 per coin, but he said still it is not priced in yet because he says that once the merge happens, once it actually happens, the morale is going to go way up. We're going to see more and more companies excited to be building on Ethereum's blockchain. We're going to see all the impacts of lower fees with NFTs, and that is when it's really going to be priced in. He's like, basically, He expects that the merge is going to be kind of not priced in terms of psychological and narrative terms, meaning that, yes, we've been hearing about proof of stake on Ethereum for years, but it has not happened just yet. So even though it's scheduled for September 19th, even though it's supposed to go then, still, it's like people are a little hesitant. People are unsure of what's going to happen because there's been so many delays in the past. It has not happened when they have said it's going to happen before. So once it actually happens, once we see Ethereum move over to proof of stake, that is going to be a complete game changer. And that is when morale is going to go way up for Ethereum. And we're going to start seeing people realize that this is actually happening. And we're going to see how much of an impact this has on the NFT market, how much impact it has on games deciding to build more features and actually use Ethereum, because now the narrative is more that Ethereum has high gas fees. We need to find something else. So keep an eye out on this, because Ethereum could very well go above that $2,000 per coin range in the coming days and weeks, especially as long as Ethereum 2.0 merge goes off without a hitch. Last thing I want to talk about is going to be what's been going on with Cardano, because Cardano has had a little bit of negative news, let's say. So Cardano's Vasil Hardfork was hit with another delay for several weeks. So according to IOHK, they came out and said that they're going to be delaying Cardano's Vasil Hardfork for at least a few weeks. And they said, look, what they're doing right now is the goal is to flush out any final issues as they go to the Vasil Hardfork. They said what they're doing is fixing on testing authority, getting it right and not rushing. And they said the most important thing for them is to make sure there are no issues when it does roll out, because we've seen with Solana all the outages. We've seen with Ethereum and other projects how many issues they have when you try to roll out something too quick or when you have continuous delays. And they said right now, yes, they need to delay it a few weeks, but they said they want to make sure that there's more time for all parties, all different projects on the ecosystem, including exchanges, API developers, and everyone to be ready for when Vasil Hardfork releases. So this didn't really seem to have a negative impact on Cardano's price, because Cardano is still up over 12% over the last 7 days. So while it isn't great news seeing another delay, the good news is that it seems like it's just they're giving everyone a little bit of extra time just to make sure nothing is wrong. And interestingly enough, we're going to see Ethereum merge to 2.0 take place right around the same time as the Cardano Vasil Hardfork. So all this looks like it's going to be happening at the same time. And this could really be great for the overall crypto market. Seeing big news for Cardano, big news for Ethereum, starting to see institutions get back involved. This is what we really needed. We needed some sort of catalyst to propel the market back, and it looks like these few announcements and what's been going on with Bitcoin above the 200-week moving average, looks like that very well could be it. So anyways, that's what's going on with the crypto market. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another episode. See ya.